which one do you guys like more? In my opinion, I like this, the older one. This one's so old that my parents got it before I was even born. Pretty old. About 12 to 11 years old to be yeah, it's about 11 to 12. But most of you guys are probably like the X380 more, but I like this one because it's always been my favorite. That one's just a new old piece of junk. This one is the most reliable thing I've ever had in my life. Oh, I don't think that was good. I just scraped something. That's a broken lawnmower over there. Something snapped in the axle piece. Tell me what you guys think. Comment below if you want me to drive the other one. I drove it in another video, but if you want me to make a whole video on that one.